Check it out. Check it out.
In this part, I will talking about how to connect the cables on the back of the radio head unit here. The head unit just like this. It don't have video cables because your car don't have original display, so there's no video cable, just a power cable here. And this is the power cable we offer. It have male and female connector here. First, disconnect the original power. When you check the original power cable, you should notice if the car have the optical fiber cable, you need to move the optical fiber cable to this port here. Now this connector don't have optical cable, so we just connect directly. This is the original power cable. Connect to this one here. That is, and this side connect to original head unit, just like this. Then we'll be fine. Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. This part I will talking about the wire diagram for the X1 here. This is the diagram. The step 1 is to move the optical cable, if any. If you still not clear, you should watch this video, scan this code, and to watch the video. It will show the details how to do it. And the step 2 is connect the AUX cable. Because the sound for the Android screen, it go through AUX here. You need to connect like this. Here is a AUX in the dashboard. And when you use the Android screen, you need to choose AUX because the sound go through AUX here. And step 3 is about the iDrive knob. In the new model, we designed the iDrive connection to the RCA cable here. Just connect it. And please notice, you need to go to the factory and choose car without OEM monitor, Because your car don't have original display, you should show this. Choose it. The password, factory password here. If you install the aftermarket backup camera, you can scan this code to watch the video here. And now I'm talking about the GPS antenna and the 4G antenna. The GPS antenna you can install to the dashboard, under the dashboard, or on the back of the windshield. Or you can install the GPS antenna to the A-pillow of the car. Please notice the GPS antenna should point to the sky. That way, it will have the GPS signal. Here is a picture here. For example, if you install the GPS antenna into the A-pillow or to this place, you should connect the 4G antenna to keep a distance to the GPS antenna. Make a distance. Don't put together. Here, you can install the 4G antenna in this side or in the glass box. That's okay. Don't too close to the GPS antenna. If you like to order the products, you can go to our website, click BMW navigation and BMW X1 here. Your model without original display, so choose no OEM screen here. This is 10.25 inch. And if you like to order the bigger screen, 12.3 inch, you should choose this one here. Now I click here, 10.25 inch. Here. This one here. And the 12.3 inch like this. It's bigger screen here. You should choose no screen here. Here. Choose this one. But some friend says his car have the original CIC iDrive system. In that case, you don't need to install the aftermarket iDrive. We also don't offer it. It will use the original iDrive system. Okay, thank you very much.